Welcome back to my channel, Aztec, Nahuatl, language and history, bios for us. Why do we Mexicans are so ignorant about ourselves, history, tradition, culture? We've been brainwashed, my people. We've been colonized. I understand that. We speak two foreign languages, English and Spanish. Those are not our languages. We know more about other people's cultures than our own. We dress like them. We think like them. We are out of our mind. We have to reconnect to our past again. Something that has no roots cannot grow.